Did you know you can temporarily lock and unlock your Mashreq NEO Debit Card? Let us walk you through the simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Mashreq NEO account through Mashreq Egypt app. Step 2. Select More. Choose the More menu option from the bottom of the home screen. Step 3. Choose Card Control. Tap Card Control. Step 4. Select Lock Temporarily. On the card details page, choose your debit card, then tap on Lock Temporarily. Step 5. Card locked, select Unlock. Choose Unlock when you would like to use your card again. On-demand security is now at your fingertips. That's it. Happy banking!